Welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we're going to be making chunky chopped chip cookies. You're going to need to preset your oven to 180 degrees Celsius to preheat while we mix the ingredients together. You're going to need a couple of baking trays, as you can see behind me, which I've already put some baking paper across. I hope you enjoy these. These are not unlike the store-bought or the cookies that you get from a particular sandwich store, which are always nice. These are even better because they're homemade. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please press the like button. Also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching the video. As you can see, I got 20 biscuits out of that mix. The recipe actually says you can get 36, so clearly I put extra for each scoop onto that baking tray. My family likes the cookies this size, which is why I do them, but obviously if you want to get the 36, you just need to put smaller scoops onto the baking tray. Enjoy!